Have you felt super tired and just not yourself lately? Have you noticed low sex drive, hair loss, or loss of muscle tissue, especially after the age of 40 maybe? All these could be due to low testosterone, a very important body hormone. Testosterone is like a superhero inside our bodies, especially for men. It helps in so many ways. Testosterone makes men feel strong, keeps the bones tough, helps in making babies, and provides the body with energy. As we get older, it's normal for this superhero hormone to become gradually weaker, but sometimes things in our daily routine or certain health factors can make it decline even faster. In this video, we will examine some ways in order to keep testosterone in normal levels or even elevate it a bit. 1. Green vegetables. Have you ever heard about green vegetables, especially ones like spinach and kale? Well, let me tell you, health experts absolutely love them. They keep telling everyone how great these veggies are, and guess what? There's a good reason for that. Many people who eat spinach and kale often feel healthier. What makes these veggies so special? Well, they're packed with lots of goodies. There was a big research thing that found out something interesting. Around 60% of people in America aren't getting enough magnesium from what they eat. But if you're munching on spinach and kale, you're definitely doing something right. That magnesium acts like a helper or a coach, cheering on our bodies to make more of an awesome hormone called testosterone. When you think about green vegetables, think about them as mini health boosters. Even though they're tiny, they're super strong in a good way. A research thing in 2018 told us that green vegetables are full of vitamins, and they have these special protectors called antioxidants. What are antioxidants? Imagine them as tiny guards. What do they guard against? Well, they guard our bodies from stuff that isn't so good for us. If too much of that bad stuff gets in, our testosterone might become a bit lazy. But with the help of our tiny guards from veggies, everything stays just right. What about spinach, kale, and their green buddies? They might be small and light, but they make our bellies happy and full. And do you want to know their secret? They have a lot of fiber. There was this thing where they asked a lot of people about what they eat, and it showed that those who eat a lot of fibery foods usually have a healthier weight. Why does weight matter? Because if we get too heavy, our awesome testosterone hormone might not work its best. So when we eat these green veggies that are filled with fiber, we're helping our weight stay just right, and that means our testosterone stays super strong. 2. Fatty fish. Have you heard of things like vitamin D, zinc, or something called omega-3 fatty acids? All of these are really good for our bodies. And do you know a fun place where you can find them all? Yup, it's in fatty fish like salmon and tiny fish called sardines. Some people might tell you that eating fat is bad, but wait, not all fats are the same. There are good fats and bad fats. Bad fats, like the ones in really oily foods, can make this cool hormone called testosterone less strong. But the fats you get from fish, they're the good kind. A big research in 2021 looked at lots of smaller researches. They found out that folks who ate less fat had not so great testosterone, but the ones eating good fats, their levels were much better. So when you eat fish, you're not just enjoying its taste, you're giving your body a health boost. Fish also has other goodies like protein, vitamin D, and zinc. Number 3, cocoa. Not the hot chocolate you drink when it's cold, but the main thing it's made from, cocoa. Cocoa has something called magnesium and these tiny little fighters called flavonoids. Imagine flavonoids as mini heroes for our bodies. Some of them help our body make more testosterone. A lot of this cool hormone is made in a special place in a man's body. It's named the testicular follicle cells. If you want to get the benefits of cocoa, you can try stuff like cocoa powder, tiny bits from the cacao plant, or even dark chocolate. Just remember, don't pick ones with lots of sugar, alright? 4. Eggs. Eggs, especially the yellow part inside, that's the yolk. Eggs have so many good things in them. They give our body protein, those good fats we talked about, and something special called selenium. Think of selenium like a mini assistant for our body. Some close looks at things, both under tiny glasses or microscopes and in our day-to-day life, found that men who have enough selenium often have stronger testosterone. And here's a fun twist. While eggs have something called cholesterol, it's actually the friendly type. It doesn't hurt us at all. So eating a couple of eggs every week, it's a big yes for most people. 5. Avocados. Avocados are good for you because they have healthy fats. These fats are really good for keeping your hormones balanced. Testosterone, which is a hormone in your body, might also get a boost from two things in avocados: magnesium and boron. Boron is a tiny thing found in some foods, and it helps to stop testosterone from getting weaker. It seems to play a part in how testosterone works inside our bodies. Some people did research and found that taking a lot of boron might make some people's testosterone go up. But it's not clear if boron pills really help with testosterone. We need to know more about this. Even if you don't take boron pills, eating foods that have boron, like avocados, might help keep your testosterone just right. 6. Pomegranate. Pomegranate juice is another thing that might help with testosterone. Some people did research and found that both men and women might have more testosterone if they drink this juice. One group of people drank pomegranate juice for 2 weeks and found that the amount of testosterone in their spit went up by about a quarter. Pomegranates have things in them called antioxidants, like polyphenols and flavonoids. These help our bodies fight against things that cause harm, like inflammation. If our body has too much inflammation, our testosterone might go down. So drinking this juice might help make more testosterone. Pomegranates also have something called nitrates. These nitrates help our body make more nitric oxide, which helps blood move better. If our blood moves well, it can carry good stuff to places like the testes, which is where testosterone is made. Stress can make our testosterone go down, especially when we have a lot of a stress hormone called cortisol. Some people think pomegranate juice helps fight stress, which might make our testosterone go up. Plus, pomegranate might be good for guys because it helps their sperm move better and be in better shape. This could be because it's helping make testosterone the right way. 7. Oysters. Oysters, clams, and things like them can be good for keeping your testosterone at a good level. These foods have a lot of zinc, selenium, and omega-3 fats. These are all good things for our body. Zinc is especially important for making sure everything relating to having babies works properly. When someone doesn't have enough zinc, they might have a problem called hypogonadism. Some studies have looked at giving men a lot of zinc to see if it helps with this problem. Which of these testosterone-boosting foods are you planning to add to your plate? And hey, if you found this list helpful, smash that like and subscribe for more.